Redstone143. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to open a camera RX100 III from Sony. This is a travel camera. I really like this camera because it's so handy. You can bring it everywhere and you just put it in your bag and it's not so heavy, and it's a very good quality camera. Especially for travelers or for vloggers, YouTube vloggers like me. So I'm very excited to open it. So let's open it together. So let's go, guys. Let's open this. I already put something in there, but I don't know how to open it. Yeah, already. I'm so excited. This is my first camera actually. For my blog here, the lots of description, so many descriptions. So I think I need to, wow, the manual book is very thick. Look, I need to use all, it takes ages I think, and there's a lot of description also here. And what's there? It don't work. So, and there you go, look, this is so cute. I have the cable, and it's also an adapter. I think, I don't know, it's for the camera accessories. Yeah, here it is, it's very cute. Look, wow. I really love this camera. Oh my god. See guys, look, it's really good camera. It's from Sony. And what I like, so I need to open it. I thought I don't have battery. Oh, so pity. I need to put it on. But what I like this camera is that you can, this is the screen, and you can see. You can use this screen for selfies, especially for vloggers like us, or like me. I really love selfies. Then I can see how I look if I make videos of selfie, and then you can make it. So this, and it's very good for travelers because you just put it in your bag, especially for us women. So you don't need to have this big camera. That's really good. I really love this camera, but so pity it don't. I cannot turn it on. I think it's low bat, but see, it's a very good camera. And then there are a lot of options. I think I still need so many things to study how it works. But so many travelers also love this camera, especially for YouTubers and bloggers like us. So, and then you can also, the quality of the video is really good. I tried it in the shop, and let's try it. I just need to load this a little bit and then we will try it together. Okay, I'm so excited. So guys, I loaded it and then we will try it. Okay, so I make it on. See, you see that? It's really good camera. Look. It's the same quality with a big camera. I'll make my next videos and my next or pictures will be taken in this camera. Then you can see it there, and there is also a zoom. I think this one. Yes, there's zoom. Is really the good thing in this camera is that you can carry it everywhere. You just put it in your bag and you don't need to think about it every time. Just put it in your bag. Like the big cameras, you need to carry it every time, and then maybe you forgot it and then you just put it at home because it's too big. So this camera will always be with me. So that's why I told you guys, this camera can use with selfie. Look, you see? Yeah, this selfie. You can make selfie and then you can see yourself make selfie. That is a good quality. So put it up and then you can see how you look like. This camera is a really good camera. It's just compact, so you just bring it anywhere, and I bought also a bag, a small bag together with this camera, and then I will just put it in here, and then this camera will always with me anytime, everywhere. So that's why if I see something, if I go everywhere and then I see something good, and then I just have this camera, then I just need to make video or for pictures. So it's really comfortable. It's just a handy, and it's just like a handy, and it's a travel camera. It's really good quality. So next time, guys, you will decide if my videos are getting better, the quality of my videos getting better, and then you know my next video will be in this camera. Guys, I'm gonna say thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like these videos, and click the subscribe button and hit the bell all so that you will be notified if I uploaded a new videos. And see you in my next videos. Bye.